Let's draw this geometry shape in PowerPoint. The first thing you want to do is to insert a circle. If you press down the Shift button whilst you're drawing your circle, you will have a perfect circle. So we want to go ahead and remove the fill and increase the weight of the outline. That looks good. The next thing we want to do is to insert a rectangle. So rectangle, and we're going to draw it from this point all the way down to the end. There we go. So we're also going to remove the fill and make the weight of the outline a bit bigger. There we go. Let's have a look. This looks very good to me. So now we're going to remove this part of the shape. And to do that, we want to press down. To do that, we want to press down our Shift button, select both shapes, go to Shape Format, and fragment our shape. And what that does is to fragment both shapes into smaller parts. And so now we can select just this part and delete it. There we go. Our shape looks good. So now we want to label our shape. And so I'm going to insert a text box and type in 18. I'm going to increase that font to 36 and make it red. I'm going to press the Shift button and D at the same time to duplicate this shape. So Shift D, sorry, Control D rather. And I'm going to move it up here and change that number to 6. I'm going to duplicate it again by pressing Control D, and I'm going to move it here and change that number to 13. There we have it. Our geometry shape is all done and ready. See you again soon.